Welcome, students of agriculture and agribusiness. Have you ever wondered how the food from a farmer's field reaches your table? It's a complex process involving many steps beyond just growing the crop. This journey is guided by essential marketing functions. Today, we'll explore these core functions in agricultural marketing, crucial for understanding our food systems. So, what exactly are marketing functions? They are the various activities involved in moving agricultural products from producers to consumers. These functions add value, reduce costs, and ensure products are available when and where they're needed. They can be broadly categorized into three main groups: exchange, physical, and facilitating functions. Let's start with exchange functions. These are the core activities of buying and selling. Buying involves acquiring products, while selling means transferring ownership for a price. Consider a farmer selling wheat to a wholesaler. This is a direct exchange. Then, the wholesaler sells that wheat to a flour mill or a retailer, continuing the chain. Finally, you, the consumer, buy bread made from that wheat at a local store. Each step is an exchange. These transactions are fundamental to moving products through the market channel. Next, we have physical functions. These deal with the actual handling and movement of products. They include storage, transportation, and processing, ensuring products are preserved and transformed. Storage is vital to hold products from harvest until they are needed, preventing spoilage and ensuring year-round supply. Transportation moves products from farms to processing plants, markets, and ultimately to consumers. Processing transforms raw agricultural products into more usable forms, like wheat into flour. This adds significant value and expands market opportunities. Finally, facilitating functions are those that make the exchange and physical functions possible and more efficient. They include financing, risk-bearing, standardization, and market information. Financing provides the necessary capital for production, storage, and marketing activities. Risk-bearing involves accepting the possibility of loss, such as crop failure or price fluctuations. Standardization establishes uniform grades and qualities, making trade fair and efficient. Market information provides data on prices, supply, and demand, helping everyone make informed decisions. These functions are crucial for a well-functioning agricultural market. They help stabilize prices, reducing volatility for both producers and consumers. They also increase farmer income by connecting them to broader markets and adding value to their products. Ultimately, these functions improve overall market efficiency, ensuring food security and economic growth. Let's look at some practical examples to see these functions in action. Imagine fresh vegetables harvested from a farm, then carefully loaded onto trucks for transport to urban markets. At the market, vendors sell these vegetables to consumers, completing the exchange. Another example: milk from a dairy farm is collected, transported to a processing plant, and pasteurized. It's then packaged into bottles and distributed to stores, ready for purchase. Consider rice. After harvest, it's graded and packaged according to quality standards. This standardization ensures consumers receive consistent quality and helps farmers get fair prices. Throughout these processes, market information like price updates, guides decisions, and financing supports the entire supply chain, from planting to final sale. In summary, agricultural marketing functions are the backbone of our food system. They ensure efficiency, stability, and accessibility of food products for everyone. Understanding these functions is key for anyone in agricultural, economics, or agribusiness. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights into agricultural, economics, and related topics.